Hey students, a very good morning to all of you students. I'm Ananya Morgil, class developer of Emerging 2, and this is your first session of today class, right? So in this session we are going to cover our very first subject, English. So you all have to be ready with your English book. Today we have to do the written part, so you all have to be ready with your writing skills book, which is there on screen. Plus you all have to carry a sharp pencil and eraser with you. So I'm waiting for you all. So you must have to be ready with your belongings. Okay. So students, as we are talking about our previous session, in that session I will introduce you a new sound. That is your UE sound, right? So what is the sound it will give you? UE will give you sound U, right? Any of the example you can give me related with the same sound? Ma'am, cube. Very good. Yes, cube. This is your UE word. Which word? UE sound word. Okay. Anyone else who want to give me? Okay, students, you have to ignore as this pencil is not working properly. So we will not write over here. Okay. So it's cube. We will do the oral part now. Okay. Anyone else who will give me the example? Who would like to give one more example? Ma'am, tube. Very nice. Okay, so now I hope so that you all are ready with your book. So let's open your book now because today we have to do the writing portion. So you all have to come on page number 2929 from your book. Which page number you have to open? You have to open page number 2929. It will look like this, students. This is your page number 29. The caption is UE words. Today we will do the UE words. We will do the written practice of all the words which we covered in our previous session. Fine. So now, before starting this worksheet, you all have to write the date on top, circle the day, whatever the day today you are going to circle it first, then go outside, check the weather today and circle the clip art. First of all, do this task and then we will start. Then we will come to know how we have to complete this worksheet. Okay, so students, UE, as you know that, UE will give you sound U. What sound? U sound. So here are few clip arts given to you. You have to observe them carefully and then write the name in the given space. Okay, let's read the information also. Else you can also take help from this helping box, but I don't want that you will take help from this box. You have to do it by on. So here what is written? Write the correct word for each picture. So you all have to write the correct word. How you are going to write the correct word? By focus over the sound. You have to spell the word and then you have to put all your focus on sound. Fine. Let's start now. Firstly, we will see the very first picture which is already done. So it's cube, right? So cube. When you said cube, so what very first sound is k. So you will write C. Then U. You know that U sound come from UE. So here you will write U, and in last you have to write E. What is the sound which is in between this? Cube. So here we have to write B. Okay, so it's CUBE. It's already written, so you have to trace it. Take your pencil in your hands and start writing. I'm waiting till then. We will start from here. Hurry up, students. Those who have done, you all have to look at on the next picture. See this picture carefully and then tell me what is this. Yes, we already covered this in our previous session. So this is mule. What is this? Mule. So the very first sound is M. What sound? M. Okay, I have to write. So you have to write it properly. You have to write it in the same formation, students. M, M, U, U, Please ignore, as you know that my pencil is not flexible, so it's not working properly. Mule, M-U-L, mule, L-E, mule, right? After writing all of your spellings, then you have to cross check your spellings from your helping box. Okay? Otherwise, firstly you have to write it by on. Okay, now see the next picture. It's dunes. What is this? Dunes. So write the spelling now. D. The sound comes from D. D. Wait. D. U. Dune. What is the next sound? U. D. U. N. Dune. No sound. So here we will write N. D. U. N. E. Dune. Right? Okay. The next is your. It's the U. It's tube. So the sound comes from T. The U. U sound comes from UE. U. B. Tube. B sound come from T. No, ma'am. B. Very good. So write B over here. T U B E. Tube. It's tube. Okay. Now, who will tell me this picture? Ma'am, it's dew. Very good. So here we will write dew. The the U. D U D U K K E. Dew. So it's the you. Duke means a noble man. Okay, अच्छे अच्छा आदमी को हम बोलते हैं ड्यूक. The next is your the tune. So here we have to write tune. T T tune. When you are saying tune, what is the next sound? U. So here we will write U N N N E. Tune, right? Students, you all have to look at here on formations. Okay, your formation should be correct. You can cross check your spellings from here, and same formation should be followed, which is written over here. Okay, so you have to do this part, then we will start with the next part. Okay, first we complete this part, then we will do the second part. Hurry up, complete it first. Okay, I hope so that now you all had done this. Now come on the next part. Here you are having a puzzle. We had solved these kind of puzzle lots of time. We are having the clip arts and we have to complete this puzzle by giving clues. Right? So let's start. Firstly, we will do in the horizontal direction and then we will do in the downward direction. Okay, so let's start from here. This one is mule. Mule. In the upper half also we covered this vocab. So we will write it again. Mule. What is the next sound? It's U. Mule. U-L-E. It's mule, right? Now we will do it in the downward direction. So it's U. U is already written. What is the next sound? It's D. And don't forget, we have to write E in the last. So it is Q. So we covered two words, Q, mule. So these are the rhyming words. Why? Because both are having the same sound. Okay, the next is it's the dune. Dune. So the U N, B-U-N-E, Bune. Okay. Next, you have to see this is T, Tune, Tune, T-U-N-N-E, Tune. Right? Okay, the next is your, this one is U, tube. So U, B, tube, T-U-B-E, tube. Alright, now we will see this one. So it's the U, U, K, D, U, K, E, Duke. Alright, so this one is done. Now, what you have to do, you have to complete this worksheet. Till then, I am waiting for you. Then we will do our creative work. So, students, hurry up. Then I will introduce you a new artwork today. Okay, students, so now you all have to be ready with your drawing files. So now we are going to start our creative work. So kindly bring out your drawing file plus a sharp pencil in your hands. Okay, so today what we will do, today we are doing the grain pasting, right? So we will cover this part in 2 days, right? Today we will draw and tomorrow we will do the grain pasting. So first of all, before starting this, you all have to write the date on top, and in the middle of your new sheet, you have to write the caption grain pasting, right? You have to write this. I'm sorry. Wait, what you all have to write? You all have to write this caption, grain pasting, right? Like this. Okay. After that, what you all have to do, you have to draw a flower. I'm making this simple flower. You can draw any kind of flower that you like to make. Fine. So I'll prepare this flower with the help of circle shape, right? Circle and oval shape. So basically I will make a small circle, then I will make oval circle as a petals, right? So here one oval I'll make here, one I will make here at this part, right? You can also make a flower like this. It's your choice, otherwise you can make your own like this, and in this side. So this is our flower. So students, you also have to draw any flower as per your wish. Fine. So this is your today task. You all have to give a caption, then you have to draw a flower. And one more thing which you all have to do is you have to collect the material which is required for tomorrow. Right? So what you all have to collect? You all to have to collect Fevicol for pasting, because pasting is not possible without glue or Fevicol. So whichever is there with you, you have to be ready with that. And one more thing which you require is two kinds of grains. That means two colored grains. Either you can bring yellow and green, either you can bring yellow and orange. It's your choice. Whatever is there with you in your kitchen, you can bring those grains, right? So be ready with these two things. And if you have the paintbrush, so you can also bring that, because it will make your task easy. Because if you are using your Fevicol and if you have paintbrush, so it is easily spread with the paintbrush. Okay, so if you have paintbrush, so you can also bring that. So these three things which you must require for complete this art sheet, you have to be ready with that, because tomorrow we have to do the grain pasting, right? So today task is only to draw a flower. I'll prepare this flower with the help of two shapes, circle shape and oval shape. You can prepare any kind of flower as per your choice, and then please be ready with the material which I share it with you, that is a resource, right? So that's it for your today's session. You all have to complete your today task, your English subject as well as with your artwork. Right? So that's it for your today's session. Have a good day. Bye bye.